Hello everyone, this is gamer named Azim and this is episode 5 on how to use your gaming to your advantage. When I say a follow-up, means in the previous episode I just talked about teaser trailer. Now let's talk about second trailer.
A sensei once consoled a grief-stricken boy as his older brother prepared to leave for battle. He said, "Child, why do you cry? You are both part of a family, and a family is a bond that cannot be broken by war, by strife, by force, or neglect. And more importantly, you are brothers, and brothers you shall remain, despite time, argument, and even distance."
Now let me tell you one thing. When it comes to the second trailer, you have to know that it is the best time they released the second trailer is 2 months before the initial release date.
Choosing this jungle for your training was no coincidence, Leonardo. Legend says that a long time ago, ancient warlords ruled this land. Jumping is a basic ninja move, but jumping further sometimes requires extra effort.
And it depends on what movie, but make sure if you want to make this hype video or you want to predict anything, you want to topic anything, make sure you research when the official release date. But if it hasn't been announced, don't do it. Because wrong prediction can, well, let's just say it can lose views and subscribers. Because it's a wrong prediction. Something you have to be careful.
Yeah! 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 There she is. Wow, Splinter wasn't kidding. It's incredible. Splinter taught us every time we take out a bad guy, it charges extra strength. And once 10 guys are eliminated, we can use that power to devastating effect. But taking damage will break our karma and drain all our power. It's time. This is the bomb. Whoa, don't think I'll ever see something this beautiful again.
Now let's continue on.
Chill out, Mandarin. We're not happy about being here. But there's a few questions we need the answers to.
I have no commoner for you to question whenever you wish. Be gone, or I will destroy you, Ms. Marvel.
Sorry, no can do. We saw you in Atlantis, and we need to know why you were there.
I have no time for your senseless ravings. Ultimo will deal with you.
He must not advance. Take my place.
Just what I needed.
He must not advance. I have lost.
All too easy.
Are you a cover the consequence?
Okay, you guys see the footage? What's it about? What's coming? Captain Marvel, The Marvels, and it's coming on October of this year.
But what do you know? I swing around long enough, and my new upgraded spider sense points me towards a fragment. Definitely sensing something from inside the, jungle room? Hey, look at that! If it isn't Mr. Tablet Fragment, right there waiting for me to grab it. Which can only mean one thing. It's... trapped! Gotcha! That wasn't so bad, actually. Oh, come on!
Rest now, my brain. Save your strength. For when you awake, we begin the hunt. That is how it is done. Can you catch this? Now you know you are. Goodbye!
Be honest, do you think I'd look good with a mustache?
Slow, too slow. Goodbye!
Lights out, Craven. This hunt is over. And as the victor, I command you to leave. Holy cow, that worked. All right, let's find Craven.
If you guys see the footage again, you see is Craven the Hunter. Yes, the second trailer of the Craven the Hunter is coming at the time of this upload. Let's see more footage. Begin.
What?
This is Baron von Strucker. All unassigned security forces proceed to the West Ward. Our rat problem has worsened. I want this vermin exterminated!
Here's the welcome wagon.
Find him. There he is!
Yes, Captain America. And this one, I believe Captain America, for their second trailer or anything.
Okay. Can somebody tell me what's going on here?
Spider-Man, you are needed.
Madam Web? As if this night wasn't strange enough already.
The Tablet of Order and Chaos is the most powerful of all the mystic artifacts in the world, and you shattered it.
Yeah, sorry about that. Guess they don't make tablets like they used to, huh?
The pieces are now fragmented across other dimensions, dimensions that are strange reflections of our own, a past unlike ours, a present day out of sync, and a distant future which may or may not come to pass.
Is that a cartoon pig?
Focus. I require your help. Yours and the help of these 3 other Spider-Men. The heroes into whose realities the tablet fragments fell.
Whoa, slow down. Other realities? Other me's?
Yes, I have explained our dire situation to them. They will be your allies in this quest.
But I'm the most charming, right?
You must gather all the pieces of the tablet before they fall into the wrong hands, or our reality, as well as theirs, will be utterly destroyed.
Yeah, right. No pressure or anything.
No pressure. What you see is actually Madam Web.
Let's get started. These neighborhoods aren't gonna friendly themselves.
If you follow my instructions, I will assist you in finding a fragment now.
Who am I to refuse a lovely lady? Lead on, MW. And that's called breaking and entering. Hey, look what I found.
Excellent work. A job well begun is half done. Now to another Spider-Man, and to bestow a different gift upon him.
The black suit! What am I doing in the black suit? I hate this thing!
Stay calm, young Peter. This suit has extra abilities you will need in your quest.
Like what, trying to take over my body?
I said stay calm. My psychic powers will keep it from overwhelming you.
Yeah, well, I hope you can see it. I gotta admit, this suit does feel fairly under control. And I feel stronger, faster. Maybe this will work out after all. Fingers crossed. They're all gonna be this easy to find, right?
No. But now, I must turn my consciousness to the future and to... Miguel O'Hara, Spider-Man of the year 2099.
That's me, ready to save the universe and looking good while doing it.
The next fragment is close. Just ahead, in fact.
I'm on it. Gotta watch out, though. This area is property of the Alchemax Corporation, and that means the public eye will be everywhere.
And what, pray tell, is a public eye?
Not a what, a who. The police force owned by Alchemax, and I'm not sure which is more corrupt.
Howsoever you choose, make it good.
You are one bloodthirsty old chick. I would like to...
Ow. Ow.
It was a good warm-up. So when do I get a real challenge?
I fear it will be sooner than you think. And finally, I turn my attention from the future to a world set in the past.
Say your prayers, punks. Here comes the Spider-Man. What do we got here?
Looks like criminal forces in this world have already found one of the fragments. They've taken over the station.
And this used to be such a nice place. Easy.
And that's the end of that.
The second trailer for Madam Web is probably coming in December or perhaps in D23, which I have doubted because you have to know one thing.
No, Spidey, it's just the beginning. Across many dimensions, these 4 fearless Spider-Men, in all their various incarnations, must fight to reassemble the Tablet of Order and Chaos. Not just for the sake of their own worlds, but for the fate of every world, in every dimension. Good luck, web-slingers. We're all counting on you.
You've recovered the first quarter of the tablet. Excellent.
I've always been good at scavenger hunts.
Like moths to a flame, those with evil hearts will be drawn to the unleashed power of the tablet, gaining new and frightening powers. So far, you have been fortunate that none of them have fallen into enemy hands.
Why'd you have to go and say that? Man, what a jinx.
Most trailers, they won't release on D23. I mean, yes, you can see it, but they won't surface on the internet at least until 2 months before the official release date, like Madam Web, which is coming on February 2024. There is a slim chance that it could drop on D23 or anything, but we don't know.
Not quite like New York.
A few years ago, I found a hidden temple by exploring this same jungle. Inside, in a sacred chamber, I placed a medallion known to possess great mystical powers.
Yeah!
Hope this is something that every gamer should know, that we can do more than just playing games. And I know that. I have experience on every game I play. Hope you guys enjoy this. I'll put relevant content in the description down below. And if you guys want to get hype or anything, my second channel can cover it. So, see you guys in the next video.